Hello viewers, welcome to back our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope all will be well. Almighty keep you happy and keep you homes inhabited. May you continue to enjoy my videos like this. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful amazing crochet shirt designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first and also make sure to follow. Be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing design show to people in it. All the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to you channel. In the designs brought to you can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my video. So friends, this video is very helpful and useful for you guys. I will keep sharing similar designs with daily, inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box how you can like our video. If you want to watch any videos related to fashion, visit my channel. If you guys want to, you can take a screenshot from my videos and show it to someone else, and you can make a similar designs. This type of video very popular in the country and girls love such clothes. So friends, today video is amazing. Every video is a lovely design for you guys. Don't miss any of the video on my channel. So friends, today in this video I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you in all kind of fashion related designs. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I am very grateful to the people who have subscribed to my channel. Take care with me. Will remember pair and bye.